I've been researching drought insurance, but I'd like a more advanced understanding. Can you explain how it works?
Of course. Drought insurance is a type of crop insurance designed to protect farmers from losses during prolonged dry periods. It can be structured as either yield-based insurance or index-based insurance.
What's the difference between the two?
Yield-based insurance compensates farmers based on actual crop yield losses compared to their historical average yield. If a drought causes yields to drop below a guaranteed level, the insurer covers the difference. On the other hand, index-based insurance doesn't measure crop damage directly. It uses an index, such as rainfall or soil moisture, to trigger payouts. If the index falls below a preset level, the insurer pays, regardless of actual yield.
So, with index-based insurance, you don't need to assess the damage to crops?
Correct. It's faster and simpler because the payout is automatic once the index falls below the trigger point. However, it can have basis risk. This occurs when the index doesn't match the farmer's actual experience. For example, a region may meet the rainfall threshold for payout, but a particular farm may not have suffered much damage, or vice versa.
Which type of insurance is more commonly used for drought?
It varies. In developed markets, yield-based insurance is more common since it's tailored to individual farms. Index-based insurance is often used in regions with less infrastructure, such as parts of Africa and Asia, where faster responses are needed.
Are there other advanced elements to consider in drought insurance?
Yes, reinsurance is crucial. For insurers covering large drought-prone areas, reinsurers help manage the financial risk, especially during severe droughts that impact entire regions. Reinsurance allows the primary insurer to handle higher claim volumes while maintaining financial stability.
How does reinsurance work in this context?
If an insurer faces a surge in claims due to a severe drought, the reinsurer takes on a portion of the excess risk. This enables the insurer to offer more coverage without overwhelming their capacity. For example, during a catastrophic drought, reinsurance ensures the insurer can meet its obligations without suffering heavy financial losses.
So, reinsurance helps insurers provide broader coverage and manage risk more effectively?
Exactly. Without reinsurance, insurers would have to limit their coverage, particularly in drought-prone regions. Reinsurance spreads the risk and allows them to offer sustainable coverage.
Are there strategies for reducing drought risk beyond insurance?
Yes, many farmers use water management techniques and plant drought-resistant crops. Insurers may offer premium discounts or other incentives for these risk reduction practices. Additionally, insurers use weather data and satellite technology to improve their risk models and make more accurate pricing decisions.
So, insurance is just one part of a larger risk management strategy?
Exactly. Farmers, insurers, and reinsurers collaborate to mitigate drought risks. Insurance provides financial protection, but reducing exposure through better farming practices is equally important.
This has been really insightful, Susan. I now have a much better grasp of the complexities behind drought insurance.
I'm glad it helped, Jane. As drought risks evolve, especially with climate change, understanding these advanced strategies is essential.